Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you my quick and easy gift box. It simply uses a sheet of 12 by 12. It is really simple, and I actually made one of these back in November 2016. Wow, that's some time ago. But I really liked it. It's really simple. It gets shows off all of our gorgeous DSP, and as I said, it's a good size as well, so it's actually really good. So I'm going to show you how to make it. As I said, you need a sheet of 12 by 12. You are then going to score one side at, I'm not too concerned actually about my pattern because this goes all over the place. One side at 3 and 9 inches, so that'll be 7.5 and 15.5. Rotate clockwise, and then we're going to score at 1, 3 3/4, 6.5, and 9 1/4. And in centimetres that will be 2.5, 9.5, 16.5 and 23. Fold and burnish all of those score lines. It's a nice big one, so it takes a minute or two to find all of them. And then just these two on the sides here and here. And then where you have this small lip here, you just need to take away the top section just there, and the top section this side too. Okay, and then we're going to cut down each one of these side ones here. So cut down that one, and that one, and then we're going to turn it round and repeat on the other side. And then the parts, the first ones here next to where you've cut that bit off, we're just going to wedge on this side, and then we're going to do the same on this opposite side. You might need to trim them a tiny bit off the length, but those are going to be the lid. So these parts here, sorry, we do need to trim these ones. So trim the next one down. You don't need to take much off. And likewise with this one, but I'm going to leave this one for a minute because that will be the one that goes at the back. So this comes up here and will adhere to the inside, and then these will go up and adhere round the back. Why have I got these all such of a crazy length? Anyway, you will need to trim them slightly. I have no clue how that's come about. Clearly I've measured something not quite right. So what we're going to do is add some adhesive on here, because this is the patterned, the inside tab if you like. So that folds up, fold that over and you can see that folds up, oh crumbs, onto here. So just make sure that that tab is level with the base, and then the side here is level with the back. Okay, so you need to make sure this edge is level with the back and this edge level with the table or your desk or whatever you're using. Okay, so once we've done that bit, you then need to trim. I don't quite know, as I say, how this happened. Trim along where that meets your top. Just tuck this out of the way, and then you just simply cut along. So you can follow the line of where you've just done, and then this side will be adhered onto this side here. So this will fold up. Again, just tuck that edge in, make sure it all sits straight, and likewise with this one. And then these tuck in, and that will close there, and then you just need to trim the back. As I say, I've clearly messed some measurements up somewhere, but I think I've probably just cut a hole in the box as well there, so that's not so clever. There we go. Now all you need to do now is add some ribbon. So I have the natural woven ribbon here. I used the Early Espresso faux suede trim on the last one. Oops. That'll teach me for not using my ribbon scissors, won't it? And I literally tied a knot because I thought, well, this is for a gent, isn't it? So they don't want pretty bows and stuff. So, and it will slide off as a belly band as and when needed. Let's use ribbon scissors for this bit. So trim those, and then my final little bit is You Are Flipping Awesome. So I'm just going to grab some dimensionals, just a couple like that, because that is going to go over the lid, so I don't obviously want to stick the lid down. And I'm just going to pop that on there, and that's it. As simple as it is. Yeah, I don't quite know because this one's quite tidy, so I don't know what happened there, but there you have them. My easy one sheet wonder, have a little trim box. Thank you for joining me. See you all soon.